Severe weather threatened our area all this evening. We are hearing reports of flooding in some parts of the metro. 16 WAPT's Jennifer Ortega is live along Gallatin Street in Jackson. And Jennifer, how's it looking there?
Stephanie, it just stopped raining here on Gallatin and South Street. Take a look at this puddle. This happened just in a half hour's time. Now I'm walking towards the sidewalk right here, and it's almost past my ankles. This is the same thing that's happening across the street right here at that light and down the street as cars fly by. They're splashing us with the water. Now, we talked to MHP. They said there's been a couple accidents due to weather conditions, but as of now, we're just seeing a little bit of thunder and lightning still happening in the area and some random showers. Live in Jackson, Jennifer Ortega, 16 WAPT News.
Okay, Jennifer, thank you. One person is dead tonight in the severe storm system in Hattiesburg. Officers say a person died after high wind knocked over a tree and some power lines that fell on a car. Those power lines also sparked a grass fire, that is. Be sure to stick with 16 WAPT and WAPT.com for the latest on this severe weather. Also download our Tornado app for up-to-the-minute weather alerts. You can also get severe weather updates sent right to your smartphone.